Hello, Turtle Monkey here. Today we are going to pick this Master Lock number 5. It is supposedly security level 9 per the box. And does it even tell you how many pins are in it? Pin tumbler cylinder for increased resistance to picking. Per Master Lock. Well, we're just going to put that to the test, aren't we? So, I'm going to use bottom of the keyway. More like side of the keyway, but bottom of the keyway. Got a nice little hook from Dyno, a little short one. Let's see how many pins are in there. Go to the back. There's a nice little bar there, so 1, 2, 3, I think 4. We'll find out. Go all the way in the back of the keyway, moderate tension, and just start. Oh, there we go. 3. I believe it's set. Oh, 2 set. 1 set. Go back 4. Okay, 3 again. Nothing. Let's reset it. Okay, so 3 is the driver. Hey, set. 2's next. If I can get to it. There we go. 2 set, 1 set, and it is open. Wow. Master Lock. Pick resistant mod brown eye. Pretty easy little lock. Nothing crazy. This was a newer one, at least a newer style that I've seen from them when I was at the store. Tough under fire, but not under a pick. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, don't waste your money on these Master Locks. But if you want a good practice lock, this little cheap bad boy will be right up your alley. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, stay picked.